Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to install and use Aarogya Setu app. Friends, as we all know, Indian government have launched Aarogya Setu app to help citizens to stay protected against COVID-19. So open your Play Store. In your Play Store, search for Aarogya Setu app. It's a very small app of 2.8 MB. Press on install. Press on accept. After installing, press on open. This app comes in 11 languages. Select your language and press on next. After reading, press on next. Press on next again. Press on next again. Press on register now. After reading, press on I agree. Press on yes. Now here we need to enter our mobile number. After entering your number, press on submit. After verification of our mobile number, we need to enter our details. After providing your details, press on this arrow. After checking your details, press on submit. As per your replies, this app will give you a suggestion. After reading, press on OK. Now friends, as per my answers given in this app has given me the safe status. So friends, like this you can very easily install and use Aarogya Setu app. As a responsible citizen, I think all of us should install and use this app to fight against COVID-19. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.